Oh, look at that. He come out of nowhere. Well, there's one. He ain't real big, but he's got a good little hook set on him. But right there, perfect in the top of that mouth. Good little fish. The only problem, you gotta keep it just slow enough where it's on top of the water. That might be like a little 2-pounder or so. That's a decent fish. He's running on me, trying to get on past me, but we got his butt. We got his butt, y'all. Look at that. Thanks for biting, buddy. Grab him up. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Nice little 2-pounder, 2.5. He might even get low.